Welcome back to David Hawk channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. Today, we've got something exciting for all you content creators out there who are looking to take your TikTok videos to the next level. What AI voice generator do TikTokers use? 1. Speechelo. It's not just your average text-to-speech tool. It's an intuitive AI voice generator that opens up a world of possibilities for creators. With a diverse range of voices in multiple languages and a user-friendly interface, even beginners can effortlessly create impressive AI voiceovers. 2. Speechify. What sets Speechify apart? It's the high-quality voices and the unique voice changer feature. Imagine modifying the tone and speed of your AI voiceover, almost like using a sophisticated audio editing tool. And here's the kicker, you can even turn your TikTok videos into captivating podcasts. 3. Murf.AI. Positioned as an advanced voiceover tool, Murf.AI shines with its realistic voices and robust editing features. 5. Voiceovers. With over 50 voices in various languages, Voiceovers offers versatility like no other. Experiment with different templates for voice styles, and here's the best part. There's a free version with limited features, providing a cost-effective option for content creators. And there you have it, folks. The top picks for AI-generated voiceovers that go beyond TikTok. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating.